Hello, everyone. Today is July 22nd, 2021, and I'm here with a withdrawal from tronark.org. As you know, with this smart contract, my strategy is to withdraw until we get the initial investment back, and then we're going to start doing a 90-10 or 50-50 reinvestment strategy. And just to remind you, for those that are just joining us, Tronark is a smart contract where you can earn up to 300% of your investment and get up to a 7.5% ROI. Right now, the contract has taken in 24,749,686 TRX by 2,130 investors. So, and they've paid out so far 14,227,167 TRX. So it's been going pretty good right now. And let's just view the contract so that we can check everything on TronScan. And so you can see here that the balance is 10,522,522.11 TRX, and that's equivalent to 576,065 US dollars. Right now they have over 13,000 transactions. And if we go to transactions, you can kind of gauge the health of contracts by seeing a lot of successful transactions transpiring. So on these where you see failed, that could be for any number of reasons. Either the person didn't have enough energy in their wallet or something like that, or not enough TRX. But overall, everything looks healthy. And let's just do our withdrawal now. Great. And so we're very close to recouping our initial investment. So that's really great. The other thing I wanted to mention to you is that every so often, maybe every other day, I do a live premiere of the videos. What that means is that I'm available on the chat to answer any questions or give any feedback based on my personal experience. So when that happens, I'll usually announce somewhere during the video that we're going to give away 100, 250, 500 TRX for people that follow both the Facebook page and also the YouTube channel. So I'd like to invite you right now to just so that you're ready to be able to receive something when you're able to view a live premiere. So go over to facebook.com tronsmartcontracts and like our page. Take a look around, comment on the videos. So we'll have some random giveaways for people that are very, like, you know, if you're engaging on both the platforms, that would be great. Yep, so take a look around and let us know what you think. Also, just go to the channel and just join, share the videos. And give us any feedback. So today I might do a premiere later on. But until then, I will see you tomorrow.